Here are 3 reasons why dropshipping is dead and digital marketing is alive and well. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Sarah, and about 4 years ago, I started on this online journey. And what I found was a lot of things that were broken, missing pieces, or expensive upsells. And of course, much like other people, I tried dropshipping too. And here's what I found. The first reason why dropshipping is dead is because it is not a true freedom machine. True freedom machines are where you can set it and forget it and it's working for you 24/7. Dropshipping is not that way. You actually still have to go in and manually fix things, manually check things. The second reason why dropshipping is dead is because you have to deal with customer returns. Who wants to be dealing with that? The third reason why dropshipping is dead is because the products, depending on the quality of product that you're selling, aren't quality. You can't always mark it up 100%. So let's take, for instance, an alarm clock. The alarm clock costs $10 from the drop shipper, and then you have to try to sell it for $20. But then you go to TikTok shop and you notice they're selling it for $5. Where are you gonna land there? Exactly, you have to then keep cutting your prices, and then you end up with no profit margin. What kind of a business is that? Look, the truth of the matter, we all go into business for several reasons. For tax write-offs, to make money, and to have some freedom. While we're here, you might want to save this video for later, like it and share it for somebody who else is considering an online business. Look, I found a freedom machine and it has given me all of my time back. I work it 2 hours a day while I'm at work, and I do not have to keep up with customers, with returns, and I get 100% commission payout. I don't have to worry about marking up the product because the product's already done for me, it's already priced for me, and I already get everything that I need to sell it. You want to learn more, head over to the link in my bio. We'll see you soon. Bye.